Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how you can prepare this delicious food. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Without saying much, let's get started. The ingredients are fish, yam, tomatoes, pepper, onions, and grain of your choice, crayfish, maggi, salt, and egg. You also need flour and oil. Mix the maggi, pepper, and salt together. Marinate the fish with it. When you are done, your fish should look like this. Now leave it for at least 1 hour. Now cover every part of the fish with the flour. If your oil is hot, then start to fry your fish and reduce the heat to medium. After 5 minutes, turn the fish and leave it for another 5 minutes to fry. Now put the yam in the hot oil and let it fry for about 5 minutes. Now turn the yam and leave it for another 5 minutes. Repeat this step one more time. After 15 minutes of frying, you can try the yam. If the yam is ready, you can take it out. Put the onions in the hot oil and turn. Reduce the heat to medium and let it fry for 2 minutes. Add tomato and turn. Leave it to fry for about 2 minutes. Now add the crayfish and turn. Add the egg. Don't forget to put salt before adding it. Now the egg is ready. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.